Dental implants are simply little titanium rods that are placed to replace missing teeth. They become an artificial root, and you're able to replace teeth individually or in great numbers with a dental implant. So dental implants allow you to replace missing teeth and have the luxury of them being more permanent, just like a natural tooth. You don't remove them. They stay in there all the time. So the luxury of it is that they're able to have more of a natural smile or a natural chewing efficiency, if you will. When a person is missing teeth, you can have a lot of undesirable effects. You can have teeth that shift, move around. You can have obviously, with the missing teeth, you can't chew as well. So with dental implants, the tooth is replaced with the implant. It's not dependent on the teeth around it, such as with a bridge or a partial that comes in or out. Dental implants just restore it as close to what your God-given teeth are as we can. We're able to place the implant digitally before we ever place it in the patient, so we know exactly where it's going. And we actually have a guide that takes it to the exact location that we want it to go. So a normal everyday implant that we do here at Rowan Family Dentistry, usually we have you in and out the door within about 25 to 30 minutes. So it's not a long procedure. It's real simple, real quick, and virtually painless.